umuungos. Siya ay init na init sa aking haplos. Nabigyan ko siya sa kanyang hilig. Ang gusto niya yung ganito, yung gumikilig o damag. Thank you, Princess. Kasi ko sa shit, kasama na pati na minsan niya. When the night has come, yeah, natay ang iilaw. O madalas lumalabas tayo queen. Oh darling, darling, stand by me. Also stand by me. Oh madalas lumalabas tayo queen. When the night has come, oh yeah, oh, at pinatay ang ilaw. Oh, madalas lumalabas banyo queen. Darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. We're wrong, oh, madalas may lumalabas puting kata. Has come at pinatay ang ilaw. O madalas lumalabas banyo queen. Oh darling, darling, stand by me. Sige Kuya Ron. Oh, by me. Banyo queen. Ismina, shout out Ismina Karandang. O, diba? Thank you. And that song is being brought to you by Renslow.
Yes. And of course, make a love shout out to you, Miss Mina Karandang. Miss Mina, magandang gabi po sa inyo. Brown Girl, Generation. Thank you so much, Miss Brown Girl. Thank you so much for coming. Of course, sa mga nandyan, Mr. Renslow, sa mga nakabidyo sa atin, Kuya Rom, thank you so much, everyone. And of course, may request si Kuya Rom Sir Yudes, which is Tisay. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What about us?
Yeah, sana all.
Paboritong kanta ni Kuya Rom yung Tisay.
Ah, yes. Thank you. And this song is being brought to you by Kuya Rom. And
yes,
you're listening to Wish 107.5. Thank you. Sana di mag-loading host, Amshi.
Oo, sana.
Yeah.
Ako rin minsan loading din ako. Nung isang gabi ka,
There we
namatay
go.
na lang.
Oh, yeah. Requested by Kuya Rom. May bago kaming kapitbahay. Si Tisay. Mali pala.
Paborito ni Kuya Rom.
Searing slow na malatuntay.
Ay, abang.
Ang mister niya'y nasa Dubai. Kaya tigang na searing slow. Inakit niya Kuya Rom. Si Kuya Rom naman tululaway. Maganda't sexy si Renslow. Ang Kuya Rom ko ay bumigay. Si Kuya Rom wala sa bahay. Nandun sa kapitbahay, sa bahay ni Renslow. Si Kuya Rom muwi ng lupaypay. Nagtataka si Mamshi, wala na ni Kuya Rom.